Yes, we got wings on the menu today, and they're Asian wings. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do them. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Not many, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We have our wings here. We have some butter, honey, some sweet chili sauce here, some Dijon mustard, baking powder, soy sauce, Italian seasoning, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. And right here, I have a blend of chicken seasoning for our chicken. Now, you can use salt and pepper or whatever type of seasoned blend you like, totally up to you. The most important thing is that you have what we got back here for the sauce. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's start off by seasoning our chicken. We're gonna add our seasoned blend here and our baking powder. I was about to say garlic powder. And we're just gonna get at a mix just like this. May get a little messy, don't worry. So now we're gonna bring over our baking dish. Well, I'm gonna bring over our baking rack because I'm gonna cook these in our air fryer. I've already greased it down with a little cooking spray, or sprayed it down with a little cooking spray. Now I'm just gonna add them here to our pan, our rack. And while you're doing this, make sure you go ahead and preheat your air fryer or oven to 425 degrees. That way it's ready. By the time you finish adding these to your baking sheet. All right, so we're good here. I'm gonna add them to my toaster oven. You can add them to your oven or your air fryer, whatever you have. But if you use the oven feature, you wanna bake them for 25 to 30 minutes, flip them over, bake them for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. In your air fryer, you wanna do that half of the time. Maybe around 17-minute mark, flip them over, bake them for another 17 minutes, but I'm gonna do mine in my oven, all right? So I'm gonna get them in here and we're gonna flip them over after about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, guys, so this is what we have, 25 minutes in the air fryer. I know I said I was gonna bake them in my toaster oven, but I forgot to change the setting. So it cooked on air fryer, which is fine. I already had the timer set for 25 minutes so I could switch it over, and that's typically the time that you wanna make sure that you use it when you are air frying wings. So as you can see, we'll get one of these babies here. That baby is crispy, it's good to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit these aside and we're gonna go ahead and start preparing our sauce so we can get them tossed in there. All right, so now let's start to melt our butter. Once your butter starts melting, go ahead and add your honey, your soy sauce, your sweet chili sauce, Italian seasoning, that Dijon mustard, and your lemon juice. We're gonna get this mixed in and we're gonna bring it down to a simmer. And once you have it mixed well, we're just gonna turn off that heat. We don't wanna try to overcook it. We just wanna make sure it get mixed well. Now we're gonna remove it from the heat. We're gonna go over to our bowl and we're gonna get these wings sauced up. All right, so now we're gonna add our Asian sauce. And we're just gonna get these babies tossed up in here just like that. And what I recommend after you toss them is to add them back to a baking sheet, put them in the oven, let that sauce cook into it, let them get more crispy for about 3 to 5 minutes, all right? We're gonna do that and we're gonna come right back. And there you have it. Asian wings. I know you like the way those babies look. We're gonna jump into quality control. Let's go, let's test them out. All right, guys, it's quality control time. We're gonna come up a little closer so you guys can see that wang. Oh man, look at that wang. Now, all right, so let's go ahead and test it out. Oh. Guys, I don't know what to do. I mean, I'm the Wayne King. Y'all definitely gotta try this out. I can't sit around here and talk while I'm eating because these babies are good, they sticking. I'm gonna start licking my fingers. And guys, everything in the video description below. Until then, y'all know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.